Please kindly notice that the UI has been renewed. Similar tools are grouped and after tape feature is added.
Hold down on Add Tools group to choose Smooth Curve tool. Click and drag a segment point to change the corner to smooth curve. When added to the smooth curve, you can right-click to open Round Corner by Length window. When line 1 and line 2 are linked, the ratio will be fixed. When the ratio is not fixed, you can edit values separately. Adjust the curvature from 50 to -50 to get the desired curve. You can check the whole length of the curve below. Also, you can freehand a smooth curve. Click on a segment or point to establish the first point. Click on another segment or point to establish the end point. With the reference line created, click on the side that will be converted into a smooth curve. Click and drag a curved segment to be rounded. Release the mouse when finished. There will be 2 new segment points to be the ends of the smooth curve. With Smooth Curve tool, click and drag the smooth curve to edit it. When you drag the smooth curve to the top point of it, it will become to 2 straight lines. When you edit the smooth curve, right-click on 2D window to input the specific value of it. You can adjust the length or curvature here.